besides dividing peonies, how else can you contain the width? And this is Roberta on Long Island, New York.
Well, we don't have that problem.
Okay.
We're not
Right,
trying to
right.
control the width. We're trying to keep them alive here. But
Sure.
I think she can take a spade and divide off part of it if she's trying to keep it, take it around the edge, and she'll have lots of friends because she'll have a little division to give to her
Right,
friends. So yeah, I think dividing is probably the best option for controlling it. She could take up the whole clump, divide it, and put one piece back in,
Okay.
and maybe move it further away from what she's trying to avoid it crowding. So
Okay.
she could sort of maybe set it back further. But you can divide peonies; they divide very easily.
Right, right. Yeah, peonies, right?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Tomatoes, tomatoes.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.